This is the problem 3. And the first question is find the probability that date 0 is received. And in this question, we have two cases. The first case is we transmit signal 0 and we get 0. The case 2 is we transmit signal 1, but finally we get 0 because of the error. So in the case 1, the probability, I denote the probability of transmit signal 0 is x0. So the value is 0.6. In case 1, the probability, if we finally we get the 0, the probability is equal to we transmit 0 and we final get 0 times we transmit signal 0. So the result is 0.42. And in the case 2, we transmit signal 1 and we final get 0. So I denote the probability of signal 1 is px1. The value is 0.4. So the probability of case 2 is equal to the probability of we transmit 1 but we get 0 times we transmit 1, the probability of transmit 1. So the value is 0.08. The final value, finally we get we combine the cases, so we get the final value. The probability of we receive date 0 is equal to the probability of case 1 plus probability of case 2. So the value is 0.5. In the question 2, we need to find the probability of error. It also has two cases. Case 1 is we transmit signal 0 and because of error we get 1, and the case 2 is we transmit signal 1 but we get 0. So in the case 1, the probability of error is the probability of we trans 0 but we get 1 plus times the probability of we transmit 0. So the value is 0.18. And in the case 2, we transmit the probability of error is equal to the probability of we trans 1 but we get 0 times the probability of we transmit signal 1. So the value is 0.08. Finally, we combine the two cases. The probability of error is the probability of case 1 error plus probability of case 2 error. So the result is 0.26. So this is the result.